Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Paris Oslo Lagos.
Let's start. Open Instagram. Go to Reels. Then go to Audio. Then search Music Senza Filtro. Tap on the audio. Now record yourself to the song like you were swiping the filter. After recording yourself, go to Preview. Now start screen recording. And swipe left to the filters according to the lyrics of the song. Record unless you make a perfect video. Now after recording, go to any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and select a screen recording video. Select Format 9:16. Now delete the end part. Now tap on the video and zoom to hide the unwanted part. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.